Hi and welcome to this watercolor tutorial on my YouTube channel. My name is Mette and I am a watercolor teacher from Copenhagen. In this video I'm going to make a beautiful sky. I'm using a bigger brush, number 10, and I'm moving it from side to side. Then I'm placing some water on my watercolor and making them wet. I can add a pink color if I want the sky to become more red and yellowish. I can add a little orange and make the colors flow together using the water, mixing them together. I can also add a little yellow color. Then my picture will be more bright. I could pretend I'm in the middle of a beautiful sunrise. If you want to break down the tones in the colors a little bit, you can make shadows with a darker color, for example purple. It's a warm bluish color. I can add a little bit to the one side to the right. Or you can choose to just keep the yellow and red and orange color together. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a like and follow up and see more videos coming up on this channel. Have a nice day.